I wish I would have learned about, this welding trade here sooner. I'm here now and I'm almost done. I've been here 2 years. I don't regret not one thing. I am 32 years old. I am a single mom of 3. I grew up around metal my whole life. My grandfather was a sheet metal roofer, came into welding, put everything together, skills, and it became my art. The instructors were more like my mentors. They pushed me even when I doubted myself. They made me realize that it wasn't just a trade and a skill, it was pursuing my career, and without a doubt, 100% had that backup since day one. The welding experience here at PAC is very helpful and resourceful. We start from scratch. We learn how to cut our own metal, our scrap metals and metal. Versus other facilities, it's already pre-cut. We need help. Everybody's hands-on. Everybody's willing to come out their booth and help one another, so there is no pressure whatsoever. My name is Sandra. I was made to create, and Palo Alto College is made for me.